You know, I'm a little bit of a clown. I am. One time, I was out at the party, and this little girl, she comes up to me and she says, "Mr. Clown, can you make me a flower?" I said, "A flower? Of course I'll make you a flower. Hold on, what color flower you want?" She said, "Pink." I said, "Okay, I'm gonna make you the most beautiful pink flower. Hold on a minute. I got out my balloons." And then I let the air out, very slowly, like this. And then I took the two ends, and I tied them together, like this. And then I said, "Now you were the little girl who wanted the baloney, right? A pink baloney. Here you go, a pink baloney." She looked at me like I was crazy. And of course I am. I said, "I'll make you a flower. Let's see if I want to do this." Yet. I need a flower. Just about perfect. Making a flower. It's coming.